If your speedometer is acting like a yo-yo, bouncing up and down, or just sitting at zero while you were driving down the road, you have got a serious communication breakdown happening in your drivetrain. This is often accompanied by the code P077A, which translates to a loss of direction signal from the output speed sensor. This little sensor is crucial because it tells your car's computer exactly how fast the output shaft of the transmission is spinning. It usually works with a toothed ring called a reluctor ring that spins with the shaft. As those teeth pass by the sensor, they create a magnetic pulse that the computer counts to calculate speed. When that signal disappears, the computer panics because it doesn't know if the car is moving or stopped, so it might mess up your shift points, disable your traction control, or make the transmission slip. It's a safety issue as much as a mechanical one. The severity here is high because if the computer gets the wrong data, it could engage a gear that destroys the transmission internals. So do not wait on this one. Start with a visual inspection. Crawl under there and find the sensor on the transmission housing. Sometimes it's just covered in metal shavings. Since it's a magnet, it picks up all the little bits of metal floating in your oil. And if too much junk builds up, it blinds the sensor. Pull it out carefully. Wiping it clean might be all you need to do, but watch out for hot fluid dripping out when you remove it. While the sensor is out, look into the hole at that reluctor ring. If the teeth are chipped, worn down, or missing, that's a mechanical failure, and you're looking at a bigger repair. If the sensor and ring look fine, then you're hunting for an electrical gremlin. Check the wiring harness for burn, cuts, or loose connections, especially if you've been driving over rough terrain. If you have a scan tool, watch the live data while you drive. If the output speed signal is flatlining or jumping around crazily while you're holding a steady speed, you have found your culprit. You can use a digital multimeter or an oscilloscope to test the sensor's signal wire and ground to see if it's producing a clean wave pattern. If the pattern is glitchy or non-existent, replace the sensor. Always make sure your transmission fluid is topped up and clean before you go too deep into diagnostics, because low fluid can sometimes cause sensors to read erratically too.